for the dogs on the block, it's a hard dog life.